I want to show you what is the octagon 8, that when you create the inside octagon, here is the octagon on the inside. When you extend the lines, right, and you extend the lines 1, 2, 3 this way, and you extend the lines all the way on the outside, see the way we end up with this triangle? Then we extend the lines on the top, on the bottom, on the sides, on the 8 angles that we have, and then we create the connection to the outlining space. We end up with the double octagon known as the stop sign. So you can see what happened is we created 1, 2, 3, 4 X's. We want to count that as the 24th letter, want to count it as the reverse 3rd letter. At the same time, we have 4 triangles. So if we were just to create the triangles now, this is what we end up with on the inside. So now this is what it would actually look like. But when we start connecting back this octagon over here, we would end up with the skeleton of the octagon that way. And then inside you can see home plate. See the home plate area, or the little house? Now if we drew this line, we can see a distance all connecting into the center, whether it's a body of water. And 4 areas are now connected together. And that's what this does. Now we can create this as a walking element. At the same time, when we created this, right, you can see over here what happens. Before I draw this line, you can see a wall that shows an X in the center with 2 sticks, 9, 11 over here. Next, if I wanted to look at the pentagram, the 5-point star, it's going to create the same illusion as this. This is 5 coming in. If I wanted to create the hexagon, I'm going to do this by 2. And here we have the hexagon coming in. We can create the same scenario off the hexagon. Create the same scenario off the hexagon. And we create the same scenario off the hexagon. And it becomes this star that we see over here. So what is happening with this one? We will create the boundaries over here, and then it'll create this item. What they do, I don't know. How much further can we take this? I'm not really sure what we can do, but this is that reality. So in the last piece of this is an 8, this is a 6, this is a 5, and this is a 4. The sun is 4 million miles in diameter. The seconds in a day are 864. So how can we combine the 8, the 6, and the 4 to come together? And does the 5 element come into that range? We can also note that this cube has a 9 surface area, but it has a 1, 2, 3, 4 areas of 416 plus the 9 will create the 16th letter and the 9th letter. Pi. 25 equals to 10, and 7 equals to 17. 2 times 5, 2 plus 5 equals to 17 times 2 is 34, or 25, or times 3 equaling to 51 Mars, or 33. Rotation in the sun, 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 7, 21. 107 times 3. 21. 2 and 1 is 3. We have 33. 3 times 3, 3 plus 3 equals to 9 and 6. 7 and 8, 15 is missing in between G and H, the silent G and H in rotation, the gateway to heaven or hell. The queen and the king, if you're looking at the eyes, or ABC 1, 2, 3 equals to 6, or DCB equaling to what is 9, the lower side and the higher side of your BC before the Christ creation after the death. After the death is the outside D completing the area, A beginning the area, where it is A, B, C, D equaling to 10, and it's a flip side rotation because 1 plus 0 equals to 1. We start over again on every fourth number.